I was notified that there's a big important builders conference going on this weekend, and some of the top prefab companies are going to be in attendance. Pack your things, folks. We're taking a trip. I'm in Vegas for the International Builder Show. I decided to come out here because there's 6 or 7 prefab home companies that are actually displaying models this year. So my plan is to check out as many as I possibly can, talk to the people who started and are running the companies to try and get an inside look at what they've got going on. And it's just so much easier to show homes when I'm actually here in person. Today I am at the International Builder Show in Las Vegas, and behind me is the Greenscape from Modulux. This home is 670 square feet. It's got a main bedroom, a living room that converts to a bedroom, and 2 bathrooms. Let's go inside and have a look around. Modulux Homes specializes in luxurious modular homes, and before the show I had no idea they existed. I guess I need to go to more of these things. This home is called the Greenscape and has interior space of 670 square feet and over 400 square feet of deck space, all of which is available directly from Modulux. The Greenscape has a corner kitchen with modern cabinets combined with white counters and backsplash, black appliances, and plenty of space for a dining table. Right off the kitchen is a living room that converts to a bedroom for guests and comes complete with multiple built-in storage solutions. They aren't messing around when it comes to storage, just you wait. And yes, there is a coat closet by the door that you'll see on the right side as I head down the hall. Heading to the other end of the home, you go by the main bathroom before entering into the bedroom. Again, just like the living room, the bedroom has a ton of built-in storage, but I'm going to have a closer look at that in just a couple minutes here. The bedroom has one window on the side wall across from the entrance into the ensuite, and the way it was sitting at the convention center, it had a nice view of the sphere from the bed, which was kind of cool. The ensuite has a window that opens, important, a walk-in shower, and everything else people would expect to see in a bathroom. Basically, you got your toilet and sink. Essentials are covered. The main bathroom has all the same stuff and is pretty much just a flipped version of the ensuite. Got everything you need. 2 bathrooms in a 670 square foot home. It's nice. I like that. Is it just me, or does this seem like more than 670 square feet? Let's see what they did on the outside of the home. The Greenscape is finished with thermally modified wood and has the sloped roof, giving it a great look that I think people are really going to like. The show model was fully tricked out with a ramp, deck, and pergolas, all of which would be available from the factory. I was able to spend a bit of time inside the Greenscape after hours at the show just to try and get a feel for what they've got going on with this unit. Here's the result. I want to take a second to thank today's sponsor, Fastwheel, for helping make this video possible. Fastwheel offers estate planning for everyone, a very important topic that probably isn't discussed as much as it should be. I'm going to be honest here, I put off getting a will for years because it seemed daunting, which wouldn't have been fair to my loved ones. How would they know who gets the channel? My favorite part about using Fastwheel is how they break everything down into simple steps so the user can complete their will at their own pace through their easy-to-use platform with prices starting at just $79. With Fastwheel, you can create, sign, and notarize your will from the comfort of home. Whip up a snack, make a will. Sounds like a nice little Sunday afternoon. There are many, many reasons to get a will, but in my opinion, none more important than saving time, money, and stress for your loved ones should something happen. All of their documents are designed by attorneys, customized by the user, and each document is legally valid and tailored to the legal compliance standards of the individual's state of residency. Create a lifetime of peace of mind in just a few minutes with Fastwheel. Check their info in the description below or visit fastwheel.com to find out more. That's FASTWILL.com. Check them out. My first thought after spending a couple minutes in this home is this does not feel like 670 square feet. Look at the size of this kitchen. We've got a bunch of lower cabinets, more than enough storage for anything I'm doing. What do we got in the fridge? Might have to get back into there after I shoot this. If you look around the home, they've got the living room at this end, they've got the main bedroom at the back, and both bathrooms are located at that side of the house. And I just really like this layout. For 670 square feet, this does feel very spacious. At one end of the home, they've got this living room that's accessed through the kitchen and near the entrance right behind where the camera is. And this is the one that doubles as the second bedroom. So behind me, we've got a Murphy bed. They showed me how it folds down. I'll probably put the B-roll up. But it takes this home from a 1-bedroom, 2-bathroom to a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom. And what I like about it is it's a multi-purpose space, so it's only being used as a bedroom when someone wants to go to sleep, which I like. So if you've got multiple people living in the house, or if you just want something for guests, this is a way you can get that. Right now I'm in the main bedroom and it has been a long day, so I'm doing this portion of the video horizontal. In front of me, what we've got is built-in storage, so a place for your shirts, your socks. There's more than enough room for all my clothes, so really I guess it depends how much you have, whether it's going to be enough or not. I can't make that call for you. To my left is the ensuite. We've got a toilet, we've got a sink, we've got the shower. So this is a really nice bedroom. The interesting thing about Modulux is this actually comes from Vietnam. They've got distribution partners in Hawaii, they've got distribution partners in California, and this is something that we're going to be seeing more of going forward, which I'm okay with. I think this is great. I can see the sphere from my bed. Last time I did a video like this, I mentioned the closet but didn't show it, and I'm still hearing about it daily in the comments, so I'm not about to make that mistake twice. This is what they've got for storage in the main bedroom. So 2.5 sets of double doors. Let's just see, I never like to break anything, so got that sliding out. That's where I would put my Ginch, right there. We've got the spot for hangers up there, a place for shoes down below. If you're a sweater wearer, you could stack your sweaters right there. I don't know if people stack their sweaters or if they hang them up. I guess it depends on the material. In here we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shelves, and then we'll get a look at this one, the closet segment. Okay, perfect. Here we go. Look at this. I don't know if they want me to put this on, but if it's here, seems like maybe they do. Again, just so I don't hear about it nonstop in the comments when I talk about something but don't show it, here's a better look at the bathroom. So the toilet is across from the shower. It's got kind of a rainfall head with the removable thing that I kind of like sometimes for my back. And then over here they've got the vanity sink, a couple towel racks there, the mirror. It looks like this opens, maybe not from this side. Okay. This does open, medicine cabinet with a little more storage for toothpaste and what have you. You know what? I've been in here for a while now, just kind of walking around, looking at stuff, bumping into things. And one of the biggest takeaways that I've got is there's storage everywhere in this home. And that seems to be something that people are quite concerned about. So if you look beside me, storage, storage. I walk through the kitchen, tons in there. Bedroom on the other end, again, lots of storage. So if you're one of those people that's been up in my comments grilling me about homes that don't have enough storage, here you go, okay? They've done it at Modulux. To be completely honest, the show was a bit of a whirlwind, and it wasn't until I got home that I was able to really look into who Modulux is, what they're doing, and where their homes are available. Modulux is a division of the Tranduct Corporation that specializes in luxurious modular homes, hence the name. Get it? After a bit of a deep dive, turns out the Tranduct Corporation is a company based in Vietnam consisting of 4 brands that span multiple industries. They've got Tranduct Furnishings building luxury hospitality furniture and exporting it to the US. They've got Tranduct Homes specializing in architecture and construction solutions including wood treatment, mass timber, and building materials. They've got Anlam, luxury lifestyle resorts, and as we now know, they've got Modulux, which is a combination of Tranduct Homes and Tranduct Furnishings. I might need to get into kid pics and make an infographic on how these are all connected. Anyway, if you want to get your hands on one of these homes, they've broken the process down into 5 steps. Step 1 is manufacturing in Vietnam, listed at 25 days. Step 2 is assembly in Vietnam to make sure everything works and fits together like it's supposed to. Step 3 is disassembly in Vietnam into panels or modular blocks. Step 4 is to load the panels or modular blocks into shipping containers and send them to the US of A. Finally, step 5 is installation at the site by their crew onto a foundation, and it's noted that that takes about 5 days. From what I was told, they've already shipped homes to Maui. They've got 6 homes on island now, another 40 under construction, and are building a total of 140 homes for the island. There is a lot going on here with Modulux, and I'm going to follow up soon because I feel like I've barely scratched the surface and I need to get more info. Before I wrap this thing up, I am going to get into their pricing, but keep in mind prices can and usually do change, but will be accurate at the time of posting this video. The Greenscape currently has a base price of $150,000. The show actually closed about an hour and a half ago. They were nice enough to keep this thing open and let me come in and make this video. So Big shout out to Tranduct Corp and Modulux for letting me make this happen. It was great to look around and actually not be crowded, just to take my time and get a little bit of a feel for the home in a short amount of time. But I'm heading out of here. Thanks for watching. Bye.